And when you say inshallah, you mean something. It's not a simple grammatic sentence. It's not simple a local sentence to express future. It really means that we cannot spend a single moment without Almighty Allah's accountability. I think the other personality cult, like Dale Carnegie's personality cult, what do they do about a human being? They try to promote what is not in you, which doesn't exist at all. They try to promote those values in you which you by forcibly and fakely exhibit. No, this is not a way of improving personality. And how would you judge a personality? By character? How would you know if somebody who runs a good sword or a good pistol or a good cannon? Would he be a nice man also? Would he be a cultured, behaving man also? Experience, expertise is a very different thing. And a mental, physical commitment is very difficult.